Here are the top 5 prehistoric creatures that still exist on Earth. And the last one, you wouldn't believe that it was just a worm that lived in Earth so long. But first, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel or drop a heart in the comment if you think this baby duck is cute. Number 1. Alligator snapping turtle. Around 70 million years ago. Number 2. Vampire squid. Around 165 million years ago. Number 3. Komodo dragon. Around 3 to 4 million years ago. Number 4. Giant isopod. Around 160 million years ago. And lastly, number 5. Velvet worm. Around 500 million years ago.